Hello everyone, welcome back at German Check. Yes, that's the channel for you guys if you're up for learning German. And today's lesson or today's video will offer you some more vocabularies on your household and the things that you normally use for cleaning your house, your apartment, or yourself. So all that you need in order to express yourself when you talk about that stuff, like maybe when you're shopping or if you're asking someone for these kind of things in your household. Well, this is the video just right for you guys. And without further delay, let's get straight to it. Die Seife. Die Flüssigseife. Das Handtuch. Das Desinfektionsmittel. Der Weichspüler. Das Waschpulver. Der Wäscheständer. Das Spülmittel. Der Topfschwamm. Der Abzieher. Die Bürste. Die Küchenrolle. Der Eimer. Der Gummihandschuh. Der Glasreiniger. Der Lappen. Der Wischmopp. Die Kehrschaufel. Der Besen. Der Staubsauger. Der Staubwedel. Die Klobürste. Das Toilettenpapier. Das Badetuch. Der Spiegel. Die Pinzette. Der Föhn. Der Kamm. Der Rasierschaum. Der Rasierer. Das Rasiergerät. Der Rasierpinsel. Die Zahnbürste. Die Zahnpasta. Okay, it seems you had a good time, I hope so. And if you did, you can watch it once more so you get those vocabularies memorized even much better. So, till next time, bis zum nächsten Mal, auf Wiedersehen.